Shares of Coupang are now trading on the New York Stock Exchange. An e-commerce giant, often compared with Amazon, just completed the largest IPO by an Asian company since Alibaba. Coupang prices share at $35 above target range, giving the company a value of $60 billion. What is going on with Coupang? And before we start the video, guys, I want to ask you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with all the stock updates, stock news. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe. Let's jump to the video. Coupang is a South Korean e-commerce company, kind of like Amazon, DoorDash, and Instacart all in one. They're able to sell goods on their websites as well as food and groceries, which is pretty insane. Kind of nothing like we have here just yet. Coupang was founded in 2010 by Boom Kim, and CNBC named Coupang number 2 disruptor of 2020. Coupang has been something I've been watching on my radar for the past couple of months, ever since I started looking into Alibaba. And let me tell you guys, this is a company like no other. We're going to go into exactly different points in the company of why it makes it such a solid buy and hold and a great opportunity to buy now. CEO Bum says, IPO now gives the company more resources to invest in innovation like Dom Delivery, their same-day delivery service, but also to invest in the regional economy. So all that means is they'll be able to set up these warehouses, set up these jobs, the economy of South Korea to grow as well. So not only is this an e-commerce website and a platform to sell goods, but it's also focused on the community by creating those extra job outlets, which makes it a company to stand behind. So now the interesting thing about this company is their Dom Delivery. Nothing like we have here just yet. Dom Delivery allows customer access to millions of items for same-day delivery. Dom Delivery allows for customers to have millions of items delivered within hours. The Dom Delivery also allows users to place an order before midnight and get it guaranteed by 7 a.m. the next morning. Not only can you order your items and get it within a couple hours, get it same day or next day, but the cool thing is they're returning. It's so if you're familiar with Amazon and you bought something on Amazon, you want to return it, all you do is you print off a shipping label, put it back in a box, tape back up, put it at your doorstep, and they come take it. With a Dom Delivery service, it's a little bit different. All you do is you put it back in the box. All you do is you put the box back at the doorstep. Don't even do any additional printing, packaging, nothing. Just put it at the doorstep. The Dom guys will come back, scan it. At instant, when they scan it, your money gets refunded to you. You don't wait till it gets back to the warehouse and restocked. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So if I bought some kicks, wrong size, I leave it at my doorstep, I get refunded, and it goes away. So not only is it an easy return policy, but it's a stress-free return policy, nothing like no other. So it's solving a great problem. One, getting delivered within a couple of hours or next day or same day, whatever that may be, depending on what you're ordering. But two, that stress-free return service is going to be something that like the Koreans are going to be so appreciative for. If that was the case for here, I would do much more online shopping just because like the hassle would be so less. Because right now, if I want to return something, I'm gonna have to print something off. If my print is out of ink, I gotta go deal with the ink. So this just makes it so much more seamless, so much more easier, which makes it better for the user. Now, their competition, because every gig company obviously has competition. Here's the interesting thing. Amazon tried to acquire Coupang a couple times and they've denied and continue to remain independent. However, Amazon just made a deal through SNK Telecom to work with 11th Street, which is their direct competitor. When the CEO is asked their thoughts on this acquisition, the CEO responds, "It's a big marketplace, $53 billion. Lots of great companies will serve our customers alongside us. However, Coupang is unique in terms of its end-to-end integration globally. Dom Delivery serves with millions of items, guaranteed same-day delivery nationwide. It's a unique service that will continue to build. Even the packaging is able to eliminate additional box packaging by 75% of their shipments. Now we have eco bags, completely reusable bags that got rid of virtually all disposable packaging because of its end-to-end integration." So Coupang CEO is so optimistic, is so positive of their integration, their end-to-end integration, that they're not really fearful of the competitors because they can't do it quite like this. It's very interesting what's happening with Coupang, and it's something that you definitely have to look into. Now let's look at the numbers real quick. We look at Coupang here and it opens at $35. Instantly peaking at the day, 67%, touching $58.69, later declining about 13%, closing market at $49.25, and aftermarket looking at $51.83. I guess just wondering, what's the game plan here, Umar? How are we gonna buy this? How are we gonna play this? Well, here's the thing, guys. Unfortunately, I didn't buy any shares today. I didn't have cash in my trading account. But what I want to compare this is to a similar IPO, and again, it's so similar yet so different because it's not apples to apples here, but it's Airbnb, because Airbnb recently IPO'd as well, and we see when they opened, if we go year to date, they opened at 139, and look, with any company, you're gonna have that jump, that boost, because of the hype of the marketplace. You're gonna watch a video like this, get excited, go buy it. You see everybody's buying it, you see the percentages go up, and that's what causes a lot of that's what's gonna cause the price to drive up. However, there's always opportunity to buy a dip. I can't recommend necessarily what you can do, but this is what I'm gonna do. So feel free to follow along. But again, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm gonna buy a couple of shares tomorrow, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide it by 3. I'm gonna buy a couple of shares tomorrow and wait for a dip. If that's one day later, the same day, whatever that may be, I need to see a significant dip. I need to see a decent percentage pop down, like a 6%, 10%, 15% to buy more, and then I'm gonna wait for another dip and buy more. If for some reason it doesn't dip and continues, I'll just have to buy at whatever price after a couple of business days. That's how I'm gonna play this. Feel free to play it your way. If you have a different strategy, let us know down in the comments below. We love to learn and grow together. Okay, because what we can see is, guys, we can see that hey, we might be right here because it peaked and it popped, it went down a little bit. We could be here, but for all we know, it's just gonna continue to rise. So you obviously don't want to, people are get fearful of, oh, it's too much hype, I'm not gonna get in. Don't what is your strategy? What is your play with this? On a long-term play, this is gonna be a great time to buy, because again, if we want to compare it to similar stock, we look at Alibaba stock. Alibaba is quadruple the price. Again, we can't. This is not really apple to apples because Alibaba it's been around longer. It's global, but Coupang looks like something serious that can't be played with. If you haven't already, do make sure you subscribe. And if you're interested in content like this, I try to make it my goal to put out a video daily. If that's an update on a stock I've ever covered, a new stock that I'm looking at, or a trending stock. Today happened to be a trending stock. So that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And again, guys, remember, only invest the money you're willing to lose. It's your boy Umar. Peace.